Number 8. Vembanad Lake, a Ramsar site and a bird paradise. At the 8th position stands Vembanadu Lake, the longest lake in India and also the largest in Kerala. This is also the source of 4 rivers with the feature of a 1252 meter long Thanirmukkom saltwater barrier. This lake is also famous for its rich ecosystem where you can find numerous species of fish and aquatic plants. Above all, this place is a heaven for bird lovers. During the migratory season, numerous bird species are seen on its shores and nearby wetlands. Due to this, it is also called Ramsar Site. Number 9. Jew Town, heaven for antique lovers. On the 9th, Jew Town in Kochi makes you feel nostalgic when you walk through the narrow lanes of the area. There was a time when around 3,000 members lived here in the 1950s, which is considered the peak population of the Jews. But now, only 2 to 3 Jews left there, leaving their memories with us. Now, those houses were used as shops of antique things. This has now become the largest antique market in India. Number 10. Kathakali. Discover the soul of ancient Kerala dance. Moving towards the 10th position will give you a source of pleasure if you love to watch the classical Indian dances. Have you ever seen a dance that tells a story through hand gestures and facial expressions? Well, it is Kathakali, which originated in Kerala and is one of the 8 classical dance forms of India. Kathakali actors use sign language of hand gestures and facial expressions to convey the story. This is one of the world-famous dance forms that is based on the art of ancient storytelling tradition. Number 11. Backwaters, lost in the beauty of Kerala. On the 11th, it is Kochi Backwaters. Do you know why it is called backwaters? This is because the water remains sheltered from the direct flow of the sea. The backwaters are typically influenced by the tidal actions of the main sea. There are a few places in the world that possess backwaters and Kochi is one of them. This is why you should experience it at least once in your entire life. It will give you a unique and memorable travel experience. Number 12. The Dutch Palace, a time travel opportunity. At number 12 lies the 16th century palace known as the Dutch Palace. The Portuguese built this palace as a gift to the Raja of Kochi, as he gave the right to trade into Kochi. The Kochi royal families have used this palace to stay during their visit to Mattancherry. This is the palace where you can witness the royal goods used by the royal families of Kochi. So, are you ready to witness the lifestyle of the royals in ancient times? Number 13. Kochi, the real mystery behind this name. Number 13 will surely surprise you. This is all about the name of Kochi. Did you know Kochi and Cochin are the same city? Yes, Kochi and Cochin refer to the same city. But do you know who gave the name Cochin? It is the British. But in the 1990s, Kochi became the official name to this region. Also, there is a city in Japan named Kochi. The connection between Kochi in India and Kochi in Japan primarily revolves around cultural exchange and shared names. Number 14. The Cochin International Airport, an example of a green revolution. Moving to the 14th will give you a sense of pride moment for modern innovation. Do you know why? It is because of the perfect use of solar power. The Cochin International Airport is the world's first fully solar-powered airport, making it a significant landmark in the world. It also got the Earth Award, which is the highest environmental honor from the United Nations in 2018 for its environment-friendly sustainable operations. Number 15. Lulu Mall, a shopaholics haven. Number 15 will surely make you happy if you are a brand shop lover. Do you know what is the second home for shop lovers? Just imagine you have 50,000 spendable rupees in your pocket and you step into the largest shopping mall in Kochi and one of the largest in India. What will happen? You may smile after reading these questions, right? Yes, Lulu Mall in Kochi has 300 plus famous national and international brand outlets along with 9 restaurants, 6 cafes, 9-screen gold class multiplex, a trampoline park, amusement rides and South India's largest ice skating rink. You can explore this giant shop like never before and let your shopping fantasies become a reality. So, shop till you drop. Now we are here at the last part of this video. So, how many of these hidden gems did you already know about? If Kochi wasn't on your travel bucket list before, it should definitely be now. From ancient martial arts to modern solar-powered airports, Kochi offers truly a blend of rich history with incredible innovation. So if you like the video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting travel content. And what's your favorite hidden gem from this list? Let us know in the comments. Until next time, stay curious.